If we were to study electricity under an Igma light speed, under UG, it would do a whole different process of electricity because when you do Igma light speed, it does it under binary light speed like fragments, and it does the whole basis of a atom. So like if you were to look up the kinetic energy of an atom traveling through time and bouncing, it's like an amplifier. So one atom's here, one atom's here, one atom's here, one atom's here, like they're all here, but they bounce around statically in the sky, okay? And when they bounce around in the sky, there's a bunch of little orbs. And these little orbs will sit here and bounce around like kinetic energy. So they amplify the pi of that kinetic energy, producing more magnetic waves. And with that, if you were to take that into a potato situation for a potato electrical grid, you could take one potato, use the whole Igma speed of the atom protons and nucleuses, and take the three layer of it, multiply that by the Igma epoch amplifier of them two conductors. So there's three overlays of pi right there. And if you want a special formula, you can add another one so there'd be four. And then if you wanted to do a conductor of to see how much amplifier atoms you got off from that potato to see how much actual electricity you had, you would have a potato rig like Lay's going on where one potato can mine a whole city in power. So the atom in the kilowatt of a potato would actually mine so much power that it's actually at the rate of 8e plus 8888 for the like rate of the atom production of a potato. Because you're not getting into the standard rate of kilowatts no more. You're getting into the whole rate of what an atom grows to be. Like if the atom grew from this size to this size, then you would have such a big process of atoms that would grow and it produces an amplifier. So like this layer would be this layer would be this layer would be this, and it's an amplifier ring. So it produces like in notches, like a tree. Like the tree grows in years, but it produces more notches of how it amplifies and grows. So it increases its heritage of how its frequency is. So if you were to like mine a tree, it'd be the same setup, but you would get more amplifier because the rings on the tree actually produce more amplifier. Like if there's 500 rings on a tree, then you would produce 500 times the amplifier of whatever atoms were in the tree. So if you did it to